Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our billet transmission pan for the C7 Corvette 8-speed automatic. Anybody road racing the C7 Corvette with the 8-speed automatic transmission should be interested in this product. We wanted to add fluid capacity to help reduce the temperature of the automatic transmission fluid in racing conditions. So we went with a billet trans pan, so it's made out of one piece of 6061 aluminum instead of an alternative like a welded piece. This product is machined out of a solid piece of billet right here in our CNC lab in Michigan. A lot of engineering went into this product. We added cooling fins on the bottom of the pan to act as a heat sink to draw heat away from the transmission fluid. We also engineered in provisions to isolate the transmission fluid from heat from the nearby exhaust. We did this by adding stanchions on the side of the pan and stainless steel heat shields that are covered in gold foil to insulate radiant heat from the exhaust. Just to be clear, we're not claiming that this is an end-all fix for all transmission overheating issues, but it is a component of that fix. We're also working on other solutions to be used in connection with this pan to help reduce transmission temperature on the track. This pan is a normal stocking item that we keep on our shelf for immediate delivery. It comes in a clear anodized finish, and we are also offering optional other color finishes on our website which have additional lead time. For more information on this product and others, go to our website at katechengines.com.
Woo! That was hot.